I think it's important to know cursive in math and physics because I think sometimes it's useful to use cursive letters for symbols in math and physics. So try to learn cursive by looking at my cursive. A water tank has a parabolic cross-section in the vertical direction and a circular cross-section in the horizontal. That is, it is generated by revolving the parabola shown below about the y-axis. And here's the parabola. This is called a paraboloid. If the tank is 4 meters high, how much work would it take to pump all the water to the top of the tank? Write the appropriate integral and evaluate. Remember that the weight density of water is 9,800 kilograms per cubic meter. If you noted anything wrong with this, it should say mass density, right? Kilograms is a unit of mass. All right, pause the video and try it on your own. Okay, let's do it together. We have the work is the sum of the small works, which is the sum. Rho is frequently used in physics for density, so I'm going to use rho for the, which is the mass density. So I'm using mgh for work. So to find m, I need to take the mass density times the volume of a, imagine this like a penny, this thing here, whatever, you know, a disk. So the volume of the disk is pi r squared dy. So rho times the volume is m. Then I have my g, and then I have my h. That's equal to the sum. This is an elongated s, so it's a sum. That's what the integral sign is, it's an s. So the sum of rho pi r squared, what am I doing here? So the g, I'm bringing the g forward. I'm ending with the dy because that's how you're supposed to end with a d something. So from the diagram, h is equal to 4 minus y, so I plug in 4 minus y for h. What else do I do? This is hard. So the rho pi r squared got copied. All right. The dy got moved over here. The g is here, and the h we said is 4 minus y. Okay. Bring out the constants. So I have rho pi g. The integral from, well, whatever. We have rho pi g r squared. All right, I can tell that this parabola obviously has equation y equals 4 minus x squared. How did I do that? Well, if we go, we can see that if we go from here to here, that's 2 units. 2 units in the back and forth direction gives me 4 units in the up and down direction. So I'm doing something with x squared. Then it's opening down, it's up, 4. So this is obviously the equation of the parabola. So x squared is obviously 4 minus y. Well, r squared is the same as x squared, so I can plug in 4 minus y for r squared. These 4 minus y's marry each other, so that I have this. So I'm bringing out the constants rho pi g. Then the r squared, we already said is 4 minus y, which marries this. And we have the dy. And the y's are going from 0 to 4. That's how I get the limits. All right. Rho was given as 9,800, pi 9.8. The integral from 0 to 4 of 4 minus y squared dy is equal to 9,800 pi 9.8 times 4 minus y cubed over 3 negative 1. And we can check this. Suppose we differentiate this part. The 3 comes down, kills that, it becomes a 2, and by the chain rule we have this multiplied by negative 1, which kills that. So we're good. 4 to 0. Alright, the 4 is going to give me a 0, and then a minus and a minus equals that, so we have 0, that's 4 cubed. So we have 9,800 times pi times 10.8, it's 4 cubed over 3. And the first time I did this, I made a mistake. So let me cross this out. So this is the answer. Please subscribe to my channel.